Woodworking projects demand precise machine setups. So we built a versatile 6-in-1 chop gauge that utilizes stainless steel gear racks with 32nd inch and swappable metric steps to precisely lock in the tool scales. We also added handy layout features that make the tool perfect for these 6 reference options. Lock in the desired height, then adjust your router bit or table saw blade. Then on the opposite side of the tool, you can use the same scale and integrated V-groove to bring a stop collar up to the end of the sliding block. Find the exact center of a board by placing the feet on the opposite sides of a workpiece. Move the sliding block past the end of the feet and you have a marking gauge. Plus, there's a notch in the center of the sliding block to keep your pencil properly positioned. Using the same scale and positioning as the marking gauge mode, you can check the depth of rabbets and shoulders to make sure they match your desired setting. It's a perfect go, no-go gauge. Last but not least, there's a 3/16 inch diameter rod with a scale to read the depth of any hole or narrow groove. And like all Woodpeckers tools, the 6-in-1 chop gauge is precision made in the USA. So nail those tricky setups and order the 6-in-1 chop gauge for your shop today.